We're out here today as part of a 28-city campaign to try to remind the public that FWC continues to allow the hunting of bears here in the state of Florida. We want FWC to reconsider this year and to please not allow another 300 plus bears to lose their lives for doing nothing more than being bears. And in excess of 75% of the population many times is opposed to this hunt. And we want FWC to please heed what the public wants, not what the hunters want to do, and ban the bear hunt here in the state of Florida again.